The easiest way to tell you what a workshop is to tell you what a workshop isn't. And what a workshop isn't is essentially this. This is a meeting. This is where most employees spend their time at work. It's meeting other people in the company. It's groups of people coming together, whether it's in person or whether it's on Zoom. And usually they come together to solve problems, to make decisions, to catch up. And usually these meetings sort of go like this. And it just keeps going around and round and round and round and round. And usually, what happens at the end of the meeting? What's the end outcome of a meeting? Well, it's somebody saying, hey, let's set up another meeting because of this meeting. So meetings tend to spawn other meetings. And that's exactly not what a workshop is. Meetings don't often have clear outcomes. Meetings often don't have clear agendas. And meetings are also not facilitated. Meetings are a group of people coming together, talking, and trying to figure things out. And what we found at AJ&Smart and at Workshopper is if you really need to make decisions in a group or really need to solve problems in a group, then meetings don't really work. And that's where workshops come in. Workshops are a step-by-step, systematized session that allow groups of people to make decisions and solve problems. They're facilitated by one person who brings people through these individual exercises, which are usually chosen by the facilitator, or the workshopper as we call it here. And these sessions always have a clear decision at the end, or a clear problem solved at the end and clear next steps, and don't always necessarily spawn more and more and more meetings. If you're just trying to get together with a team and you just want to chat and it's just about catching up or whatever, and you do not need to make decisions, then a workshop is overkill. You don't need a workshop. But if you need to bring a group of people together, make decisions, solve problems, actually get things done that are important to the business, then it's always better to have a facilitated session. And a facilitated session like this is what we would call a workshop. Now, a workshop doesn't have to be an elaborate, huge, multi-day session that has like Post-its everywhere and it's like really deep and takes weeks to plan. As you can see in our other videos, we've got this video up here, how to run a workshop in 15 minutes. You don't need to run long workshops. A workshop can be 15 minutes, it can be an hour. It can fit into whatever normal session you are going to do anyway. It doesn't have to be something that's completely changing the entire business. That's also why we're not such huge fans of forcing companies into doing things like design thinking, where they have to have these huge, robust systems for getting things done. Running workshops should be almost improv. You know, you could be in a meeting and realize, this happens all the time at AJ&Smart, you're in a meeting, you realize it's not going anywhere, and then someone says, hey, can I facilitate this next section so we can move forward? That's essentially what a workshop is. A workshop is a facilitated session with step-by-step exercises that all logically connect together with an end point where there's an actual clear, tangible outcome. Now, we have a lot of systems at AJ&Smart for how to build workshops. I'm not going to go into that. We even have this book. You can get that for free. Actually, there's a link down below. I don't know if my team wants this link to be in this video. They probably have another idea, but I just want to tell you, if you want to learn how to build workshops, we've got this book for free down below. Now, if you're interested in learning more about facilitation, we've also got this free guide down below. That's actually the thing I was supposed to tell you about, I think. The link is down there. It's probably the first link. And that guide will just give you a quick crash course into facilitation. Now, this video here, this What is a Workshop video, the reason I'm answering this question is because someone was asking this in the comments recently, and I was like, oh yeah, we've made so many videos about workshops, but never just what is one. So if you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button, and do subscribe to this channel if you're interested in this whole workshop facilitation space. We're gonna be making a lot more videos on that topic. Thanks a lot, and have a lovely day.